Hi everyone! Konnichiwa! Are you traveling to Japan with your miniature explorer? Can you feel like ranking a tiny kaiju in a bento box, right? If you're not, Global Toddlers, I'm Ami. I can guide you through the art of traveling light in the lands of rising sun. Forget those gigantic suitcases. We're all about minimalism with maximum fun. Traveling with toddlers often means more stuff. I get it. As a travel blogger turned mom, I understand the struggle between minimalism and baby needs. But trust me, packing light in Japan is key for several reasons. 1. Public transportation and walking paradise. Japan boasts an amazing public transportation system. Trains, subways, and buses are frequent and efficient. Walking is also fantastic for exploring charming neighborhoods. 2. Compact spaces. Japan loves compact spaces, so leave those mansion-sized expectations at home. Hotel room, cafes, and restaurants in Japan are smaller than what you might be used to. Prepare for a different concept of space. 3. Souvenir space. You'll want to keep some luggage space for free for those amazing Japanese souvenirs. You will find many kawaii stuff. The affordable gym bag would be helpful. That means more room for souvenirs. Packing must-have. So what do you bring? First of all, comfortable shoes. It's the car mentality. You'll be surprised how much walking you do in Japan. Pack comfy shoes suitable for long walk. A versatile sneaker that goes casual to chic. My mother-in-law regretted not packing better shoes on her first visit. If your trip is under a week, I would stick to one pair of simple sneakers which can go casual or chic. Clothing essential. Pack laundry-friendly clothes for different weather conditions. Layers are key as temperatures can fluctuate throughout the day. When traveling, I am a big fan of cardigan since you can layer easily. Remember, Japan experiences all 4 seasons. It can be very muggy, so you may want to change it once a day. Opt for the modest clothing. Japan people generally tend to cover more. When visiting shrines, respectful attires would be appreciated. It is okay to wear as you like when you want to show some respect. To shrine, please cover up. Child clothing. Little ones, you'll need more clothes due to the potential spills, misses, unexpected weather changes. Pack at least 2 outfits per day for the first 2 days, then rely on hand washing or laundry service or machine available in most hotels. Cosmetic and toiletries. Downsize your toiletries and cosmetics to travel-sized bottles. If it's only a few days, I usually bring testers or samples, or I use what hotel provides. Stroller and carrier. A lightweight stroller or carrier is your MVP and lifesaver. Cross-streeted and tired legs. Embrace flexibility and prioritize your little one's needs. Meltdown happen. Check your strollers with. You don't want to be stuck in the ticket gates every time. Toys. Pack travel-friendly toys for the plane and restaurants, but don't go overboard. Toddler get easily entertained exploring new environment. A small favorite stuffed animal is always winner for our child. Essential medicines. Don't forget essential medicine for those sniffles and coughs. Nobody wants hospital visit on vacation. Children get sick sometimes. If you don't have a prescription, you can access to many medicines at the pharmacy. Pack familiar medicine for minor ailments like coughs, colds, or upset stomachs to avoid unnecessary trips to hospital. Consider shop in Japan. In major city, convenience stores and drugstores are your one-stop shops for anything from diapers and wipes to snacks, drinks, and even clothes. Uniqlo and GU offer affordable children's clothing options. I know you may have your only one favorite brand, but hey, be flexible. You can come with smaller luggage and buy some goods here in Japan. It may be different from what you used to. This might be a chance to meet your favorite product. I've always liked to go to local supermarkets or drugstore when I'm in a different country. Makes you feel like you're living there. Don't forget to bring cash. Cash is a king. While cities in Japan embraces cashless, some places, especially in rural areas, still love that good hard yen. Keep some on hand. And remember the souvenir space? Leave room for adorable kimonos, kawaii plushes, and enough mochi snack to fill a mountain climb. Bonus tip: forwarding luggage. If you ended up having a huge luggage, or even not, consider sending a luggage ahead. You can do this from the airport or between hotels. This is a lifesaver if you have a lot of luggage and little ones in tow. It may cost around $20 depends on the distance, but it's very handy. You can send from airport or hotels to hotel. Or you can bring it to a convenience store and then fill the form. Babies and heavy luggages are not a great combination. So pack light, embrace the adventure, and remember Japan with Toddler is an experience, not a checklist. Be flexible, laugh at the meltdowns, and savor every ramen soup. Konnichiwa to unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your Japan toddler story on comment below. Bye! Bon voyage!